Hi everyone, this is Mary from Texas Stride, and I'm going to talk to you about a very important skill for our diabetes care, which is testing your blood glucose or your blood sugar. And the reason we do that, of course, is that knowledge is power. In fact, I just got some knowledge because I tested my blood sugar before for this demonstration, and my blood sugar was 69. And so, of course, what did I learn? Because knowledge is power, I learned that 69 is too low. So I had been up here working for way too long without eating something. And so I got reminded of the lesson that we can't take care of somebody else until we take care of ourselves. So I went downstairs and I got something to eat. And I'm back again, so we'll see what my blood sugar is. So to test your blood sugar, you need your glucometer, of course, that is in your packet that we gave you, your black pouch. And you've got your Lancet device. You've got your strips, your bottle of strips, and you have your actual Lancet. So the first thing you'll do is wash your hands and dry them thoroughly. I've already done that. And then we are going to insert a Lancet into our Lancet device. So I think it's very helpful if you just get very familiar with your Lancet device. So first of all, I put my fingers on it and I just try to open it. So I'm like, okay, that's interesting. That's where the Lancet will go. But I'm just going to practice putting it on and opening it. Putting it on and opening it. Okay, so now I'm going to get a Lancet. Still got the cap on, and I'm going to stick it in here. Push it down. Now I'm going to be very careful while I take the top of this off because the needle's in there. So I'm going to twist it, take it off, and just lay it down. Now, I'm going to very carefully, because the needle is exposed, put the top back on. Okay, so now, I've got my Lancet device with a Lancet in there. Now I want to become familiar with how I stick my finger. So I pull the bottom part back, and I press this button, and I'm going to hear a little click. That would be sticking my finger if I had my finger up there. Pull it back and click. Pull it back and click. Okay, so I'm pretty familiar with that. Pull it back and click. Now, you'll see these numbers at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. It goes all the way to 5. So around here, 1 to 5. And that's the depth of the stick in your finger. And I'm going to turn mine to 1 because I don't like it to be too deep of a stick. All right, so now I've got my Lancet set on 1, which is the lowest it can go. I'm going to pull it back, but not press that button because I'm going to stick my finger this time. So I've got it pulled back. I'm going to lay it down. Now, out of my strip bottle, I'm going to get a strip. And this is very important. The side that goes in the meter is the solid kind of gray side. So I'm going to stick that right in the meter. And now I'm ready to go. Massage my finger. You can also do this before. I'm going to massage my finger pretty well. Got my strip in there. Now I take my Lancet device. I'm going to put it up by my finger, press it a little bit, and push that button now. And it stuck my finger a little bit. I'm going to press my finger to get some blood out. And be patient here. Try to stay calm. I think I have enough blood now, so I'm going to put it right to that strip. Here we go. And I see that bar across there, so that means it's reading it. And my blood sugar is 121. So I can take that reading now and write it down on my card. Now, of course, on your Texas Stride card, you have before you ate, 2 hours after you ate, and before bed. Well, this is about 20 minutes after I just ate, and I've got 121. So I'm going to write it. I'm going to write it under the 2 hours after I ate, but I'm going to write. I think it's about 12:30 p.m. May 15th. 121, and I'm going to write 20 minutes after. And that lets me know that I took my blood sugar about 20 minutes after I ate. Now, which for me would be okay because I took my blood sugar and it was 69, which is too low. And I felt the symptoms of hypoglycemia because I was shaking a little bit and I was beginning to feel a little off, a little dizzy maybe. So, can remove the strip from the machine and record it, which I did. And I know that knowledge is power. Now, let me tell you one more thing. Whenever you're ready to change your lancet, again, carefully, we're going to pull this out. I've got an exposed needle. Now remember the blue top that we had. I can lay that on your surface there, and I'm going to stick this needle right into the blue top on the counter. Then I can pull it out safely. Now I've got this old laundry detergent that says here lancets, not for recycling, and I can put all my lancets with the top on securely into the heavy plastic bag, and then I can tape that securely, marked not for recycling, and then I can safely throw it in the trash once I get it full. Okay, I hope that was helpful for you in terms of testing your blood sugar, and remember, knowledge is power, and thank you for being a part of Texas Stride. Hook 'em horns.